Hi and welcome to this video, in which we will cover the materials and the manufacturing resource planning, MRP I and MRP II, which is part of the Engineering Management Exam Preparation course. In this video, we will cover the two tools and the differences between them, and at the end of the video, we will see an example on how this was asked about in the previous year's Engineering Management exams. First, the problem: managing production chaos. Overstocking warehouses is bad because it results in tied up cash, unneeded spending on extra warehousing, and so on. On the other side, understocking is also bad because it results in missed deliveries, upset customers, and probably lost market share. Manual tracking usually results in the likelihood of human errors. No visibility into what's needed and when means difficulty in planning. So we need a smarter system. And here comes the MRP I. Invented in the 1960s and 70s, materials requirement planning. The inputs are master production schedule. In a plain language, the number and quantity of products needed and the need by date. Bill of material, which is the list of items and parts needed for each product. And the current inventory records, the stock on hand. These inputs are processed in the MRP engine, which generates work orders, purchase orders, and schedule priorities. For example, let's say that you need to manufacture 100 bikes. Each bike requires 2 wheels. You currently have 50 wheels in stock. The MRP will do the math and will tell you that you need to order 150 more wheels by specific date. MRP II was an evolution on the MRP I. Started in the 1980s, which includes the MRP I, the material planning, but on the top of it, it includes capacity planning. Process capacity, human resources capacity, warehousing capacity, and so on. Financial planning, sales and operations, shop floor control, vendors management, and so on. So it is basically what's in the MRP I, but on the top of it, it included the human resources, the budget, the capacity planning, and so on. To look at both tools in a chart, you can see that MRP I focuses on the materials only, while MRP II focuses on the full enterprise resources. The scope of MRP I is solely on the inventory and orders, while the MRP II adds to it capacity and finances. MRP I is good to plan for short term, while MRP II can be used for long-term strategy development. The outputs of MRP I are usually purchase orders and work orders, while MRP II gives you full integrated business plan. Now let's look at previous exams, and we can see that one of the examples was December 2014, in which the question was straightforward, asking you to explain the concepts of materials resources planning and manufacturing resources planning. Just in time will be covered in a separate video later on. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.